Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Classes with me. So today we will continue with our news channel and news video, and let me inform you that I have started my maths classes in this YouTube channel video and of class 7 maths regarding NCERT book, and that is in Hindi language, so that it will be easy for each and everyone to understand and easy for me to teach you. I will make all the concept clear and crisp so that you don't feel any hesitation clearing any question of integers. Right now I have uploaded 2 videos for integers, and day by day I will upload new videos. Each day you will get new videos, one news video and one maths video. Maths should be from NCERT and news from Mint newspaper, as you all know. So let's start with our news headline. First news headline is about COVID-19. Okay, so Mr. Harshvardhan, with collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research, have created a website portal for COVID-19, and that website portal is uh, for showing the progress of COVID-19 vaccine and also to create awareness among the people, because last week in India COVID-19 cases has crossed 6 lakhs. Yes, 6 lakhs, and right now in this festive season and in this winter season, the COVID-19 cases will be high if we don't take precautions, and if we create crowd and don't keep some social distances. So therefore, to create awareness for this, Harshvardhan sir has made a portal, COVID-19 portal for India. So let's read the question about this news headline. Question would be vaccine. In this you have to find the meaning of this word and write it in the comment section. So let's move to the second news headline. Second news headline is about Walmart and Tata Group. Yes, Walmart is in talk with Tata Group to buy some stakes in Tata Group. And regarding the news headline, we can know from a spokesperson of Tata Group that the deal could be around 20 to 25 million dollar. Why this deal is going on and what's the reason behind it? The deal is going on because to compete the competitor of Reliance Retail. Yes, Reliance Retail. Walmart will create an app called Super App with collaboration with Tata Group, and they will provide much more products in that app with some exacting discounts to each and every customer in India. And right now they are in a business deal. Let's see some positive news regarding this. We will get to know about this news in this week only. So let's read the question about this news headline. Question is deal. Yes. So this is the second news headline and this is the question. So let's move to the third news headline. Third news headline is about TikTok. Okay. Okay. So TikTok, regarding TikTok news, in my previous videos, you can check what happened. Let me brief it in a small way that TikTok has put a case on US government, and TikTok has won this case. The reason is in 28, I mean in Sunday of previous week, there was a meeting with TikTok and Oracle, which TikTok was disappointed due to some business deal issue. So TikTok has raised a query and put a case on US government as well as Donald Trump. TikTok has won the case, and right now they will, means the Americans will be able to download TikTok app only in American server for this week. And let's see what's the business deal regarding TikTok and Oracle in the coming news. So let's write the question about this. Question is judge. Yes. So this is the third news headline and the question regarding this news headline. Now let's move to the fourth news headline, which is about Delhi. Sorry, fourth news headline. Yes, Delhi Terminal 2 airport get a resume certificate for the flight operation when in May there was a unlock from the government side. Government has seen a huge increase in travel population in India, due to which they have given permission to Delhi Terminal 2 only to resume their flight operation. Right now, there will be only 48 departure and 48 arrival flights in this Terminal 2. And if they see a huge increase, or we can say a positive change in the customers' travel history, then they will also increase the number of flights, but with better precaution and better caution they will do it. So let's write the meaning of a word from this news headline, that is let us write the meaning of resume. In this, what you have to do, you have to find the meaning of this word and write it in the comment section, that what would be the meaning of the word. This will improve your English meaning knowledge and mind power. So that is the fourth news headline and the question regarding this. Now let's move to the fifth news headline. Fifth news headline is about Apple and India deal. Yes, Apple suppliers like Foxconn, Wheatstone, and other 22 suppliers and manufacturers are there in India. They are getting around 6,500 crore rupees for the manufacturing unit in Apple, for making their manufacturing unit in Apple, and this will really boost Apple to increase their production in sales and also beat their competitor, which is MI, and they are having a market share of 27% in India. So this is a good news for the Apple users and iPhone users. So let's write the question about this. Question will be deal. Find the meaning of the word deal. Okay. So that's all about the today. That's all about today news video. 5 news headlines has been given to you. So if you like my video, then please click on like, share and subscribe button, and if you don't like this video, click on the dislike button and write in comment section that what should be improved so that I could take care of this in the next video. So thank you and have a nice day.